Hi there, my name is Chris Gutierrez. I'm with Manzi Appraisers and Restoration. And as you can see, the angels here are gone. And no, they haven't flown away. They've been carefully taken down and packed so that they can be taken to our restoration lab, where they will be given the utmost in fine care and fine restoration. So one trumpet was attached with a piece of string and a nail, but it was basically draped over one of the fingers, so we had to pull it up and off. And then another trumpet over there was in fact just resting on the hand of the angel and just came right out. So that in itself, it was miraculous that they've stayed attached to the angels for as long as they have. We plan on starting off with some very minor exploratory sort of cleaning with Q-tips to see just how deep the dust and the dirt goes on the paint layer. And then we'll begin with a series of very minor interventions with deionized water and very gentle soaps. We'll do some minor infill and painting to match the existing paints. You know, one of the challenges with this type of work in restoration is to make sure that any restoration happens doesn't make the entire piece look brand new or obviously restored. So again, this will be the type of thing where we'll do a test touch-up and then send a photo of that over to the Old North Church to make sure that they like the way that it looks overall. Also, one of the angels is missing a trumpet, so we will fabricate a whole new trumpet and make it look like all the rest with just the right amount of paint and even sort of fake wear. We're very excited for this project, to be a part of this American history and to be a part of the work of restoring this fine institution. Thank you.